Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aku and thank you guys for tuning in for another video. As you can see, that's what our video is going to be about today. You know, we've seen this at like baby showers, like anniversaries, weddings and stuff. So I wanted to create one, you know, for my outdoor ambiance, just because I feel like it really creates a mood, and that's kind of what I wanted outside, so that when you come here, you just, you just feel the vibe. I'm going to show you how I did it. And if you like content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. Eventually I'm going to do a video showing you the entire patio, the entire look, and how I'm going to transform it. But for today, this video is going to be about this beautiful nice restaurant. So they come in individual panels like this, and this is what the back looks like. If you have a gate, it's probably best because you can use the zip ties that come with it and put it through the little squares. But I don't have a gate, obviously, so I'm going to intertwine them. I've already connected these two pieces, but I'm going to show you how I connected them. If you look at the panels, each panel has little buttons like this. You can see right here. So the buttons hook into these little holes. So essentially all you would have to do, click them together like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one right here. This is the button, and this is the hole I'm gonna put it in. Just like that, and then you see it hooks together. I've already put this one together. It's a really large sheet, so I'm gonna put this one up as a wall. Initially, I was going to use staples. I actually tried using staples. It didn't last long because there was a little wind and it all came tumbling down. So I got some drywall screws from Home Depot, and that's what I'm going to try using this time with my power drill. I got these panels from overstock.com and I love them. I mean, when you guys see the pictures at the end, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So it comes in a box with 12 panels, and each panel is 20 by 20 inches. So make sure you measure your space before you purchase it. I used a total of 15 panels to fill up my wall. So I had to get 2 boxes, which was kind of annoying. But other than that, it turned out great, so I really can't complain. And I would definitely recommend them. Just to give you a closer look at what I'm doing, I'm using one of my drill bits to drill a pilot hole into my siding, and I'm using the screws. It's easier for me to screw it in with a power drill. So that's pretty much it. I'm just choosing where I want my pilot drill to be. There's a pilot hole that makes it a little easier for me to drill when I'm using the screws. Changing the head from the drill bit to a Phillips screw head. Make sure you secure it. Then I'm going to use it with the drywall screws. Placing it in between one of the panels. Boom. Seamless and flush. Now that all my panels are in, I'm going to secure them with screws so they don't go flying when strong winds hit. I'm cutting the remaining panels so it can fit nicely, and then I'm going to use one of them as a template to cut the other 3. Oh my gosh, look at the skyline. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna use the extra pieces to fill in these little portions right here. If you're thinking about getting a grass wall, it's a great idea. Trust me, all your pictures are gonna be bomb, okay? Because every time I stand here and take a picture, it always looks picturesque and it looks cute. See what I mean? Your pictures will look bomb, okay? Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on our next video.